Nowadays, teachers have hard times maintaining proper assessment to really check their students' learning. Making different versions of sets of questions will reduce the learners copying from others' work, and this will give them the idea to review and learn the topic more carefully. Due to social media, students tend to communicate each other a lot, and that's something we can't avoid. The first thing to do is open the Google Forms. Write the title of the form, and then after that, state the description. You may want to add personal questions for you to easily track one's assessment. Well, this part is very important. Try to come up a random question, and that will divide your students in answering set of questions. I generated a question, what do they prefer the most? Surely, they will have different perspective about it. The next step is to click Add Section and write something on it, like let's begin. This is the section where you will put your question about the topic you wanna assess. As for me, I will make 2 versions of questions, so I add one more section. This time, the questions are different from the first set or version. Make sure you click Required so the students will not skip the questions. You may want to indicate the answers too. The next step is to go back to the section where you want them to divide into different sets. Click the 3 dots below, then go to the section based on answer. First one is Let's Begin set, and the second one is the Let's Start set. Do not forget to go to the end of section and select Submit Form. This will stop them proceeding to another set. The last section doesn't have any selection because it is automatically go to Submit Form. You can now send it to your students. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial in making different versions of questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in my next vlog!